Kalila.
Kalila, you got more presents.
Look behind you. No, behind you.
Behind you. You got a stocking.
You've got a stocking, and then you've got a bag by that, too.
Oh, good job. Kalila, look, you got more presents. Behind you. Look at the bag. Oh, there's a stocking. Check your stocking.
Let's see what's in that stocking. You got a football?
Yeah. I got it.
Mumble.
Mama got me a daddy. Mama got me. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
Kalila,
Keep going.
let's get out the football. Let's see what else is in there.
Bubble. Baba.
Need help?
Yeah.
Is it stuck?
Yeah. Mama, help me.
Oh, it looks like you're going to get it on your own.
You almost got it.
Oh, Mama, help me.
I'll hold this. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it. Grab the football. There you go.
Good job. Are you going to throw it?
Throw it to Baba. Throw it to Baba.
Oops. Throw it to Baba.
Throw it to Baba. Ooh.
Oh.
Here you go. Ready to catch it?
Yeah.
Catch it.
Whoa.
That's why we got the soft one.
Yeah. Kalila, in the stocking.
You got more in the stocking.
See what else is in there.
Okay.
Alright, my foot's falling asleep.
Stick your hand in there, honey.
Baba.
Kalila, just stick your hand in there.
Stick your hand all the way in. There you go.
A car.
Yeah.
Meow, meow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's a purple, Baba.
Uh-huh.
Meow, meow, meow. Oh my God, Baba. It's a blue, Baba.
It's a bus. Or a van.
It's a Lego.
Oh, does it have Diego on it?
Yeah.
It's a Lego.
That's right. What do the rest of them have on there? Oh, that's throwing Diego, but what do the other cars have on them?
Back.
Okay. Well, keep going. Well, what else is in there? What else is in your stocking?
Kalila, look in the stocking.
What else
in
is
here.
in your stocking?
Look in here.
Just gotta line them up all pretty.
A creaker.
Mm-hmm. It's a truck, like what Baba has.
What I have. Baba,
Let's see. That might have... Nope, there's still...
a black car.
That's
white,
white,
Kalila.
honey.
Yeah. Meow, meow, meow.
I think that's all. Yeah. Now look in
more
the
in the
bag
stocking.
behind you.
Look in that bag.
The bag with the Santa Claus on it, honey.